get a smoothie, you know, because it's already sunny. Woo! So these are the 4 modules I'm doing. So I saw this on TikTok. Yay. Being a hot mess, just mess, not hot already. Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little day in the life at uni, and I'm so excited. I just love bringing you along my days. I've been loving vlogging recently. Apparently it's like a weekly vlog thing at this point, so I'm very excited for another one. So I've got a lot of work to do today. I'm going to go for a coffee with my friend later. I need to do some washing. We have adulting things to do. I'm going to bring you along like what I eat, what I cook. Basically just a whole day of vlogging, which I'm very excited for. So if you are new here and this is the first time you've seen my channel, I'd love you to stick around and subscribe. We have weekly uni vlogs at the minute apparently. A lot of fashion content. I'm doing hauls every single Sunday up until June 21st. So I'm going to just get on with the vlog and go and do some work because I need to get on. It's the morning, but I feel like I need to get on. So this is how I set up my lectures in the back of my kind of like weekly diary. So these are the 4 modules I'm doing, so I just tick them off when I've done it, and then I've also got a little section here for like when I revised it, and then a little I'm going to write once I've done the reading for that topic. So these are all my topics, these 2 and these 2. So this is the one I'm tackling today. I'm now on brain development. So yeah, I'm kind of midway doing that. I've got, this is my notebook that I'm writing like questions down on. So I'm like going through the lecture. Every time I get stuck, I'm like writing a question down here, so then I can submit these on Moodle, which is like our little online thing where you can ask questions. And then I'm working through this. This is my like to-do list for today. And then here is what I like to do to break down my lecture. Okay, so just my cupboard. I feel like the lighting isn't the best, but I'm just going to make some lunch. I've done half a lecture and I think I'm going to make some lunch now. So I'm thinking pita bread pizzas, which are my ultimate fave. They're like pita bread with like tomato sauce on. And if you used the Lloyd Grossman one, I'll show you the one I'm going to use. This, where is it? This, by Lloyd Grossman, the tomato and basil. I saw this on TikTok that it tastes just like pizza. And it's so good. It tastes so much better than like tomato puree and everything. It tastes actually like an Italian pizza base. So I'm gonna make the pizza. I think I'm gonna like go all out today with toppings, add a bit of spice to it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. So this is how I make it. I just put the tomato base on the pita. Honestly, this is just, I prefer this sauce on pitas than actually in pasta, what it's meant for. So this is all the toppings on. I've got mushrooms, red onion, ham, sweet corn. I just try and pile it up just because that will like make me more full the more things it has on. So I'm going to put a tiny bit of cheese over the top now so it like all melts, and then I'm going to put it in the oven for like 10 minutes and then it'll be done. So I've just made my salad for when the pizza comes out of the oven, and I've got this spray, which honestly guys, I would recommend this so much. I just got this from Tesco. It's literally like a 1 calorie like salad spray. This is balsamic and garlic, and if you just spritz it on, like I just go for as many sprays as I want because obviously it is really healthy for you. But yeah, I just spray this all over my salad and then put a tiny bit of like Italian cheese on top, which comes in my HelloFresh. I'll show you that in a sec. I'm going to spritz this whilst I'm still waiting for the pizza. So this is the finished product, literally so filling because of all the salad. That literally looks so good. I'm so hungry as well. Yay. So I've just finished lunch. It's now, I think it's 12:46. Yeah, 12:46. I'm going to try and tackle these 2 sections and then I'll get back to you. So yeah, this is the lecture. I'm not already enjoying this one too much, like it's slightly dragging, but not too long left, less than half an hour. I've finished that lecture, I'm now going to go have a coffee with my friend. There's a really nice cafe that does like, you can kind of still go even in lockdown, if you know what I mean. So you can just order it on the app or you can go in, and then we're just going to go on a little socially distanced walk, which I'm really excited for. I'm going to bring you with me. I don't know how much I'm actually going to vlog, but yeah, I'm going to bring you with me and take you along because I'm so excited. I feel like I might get a smoothie, you know, because it's already sunny and the smoothies there are just so good. It's literally like a Michelin man coat. I feel like you can't even really see me. I need to take it off, but you know, and after you've been on a really long walk, you just need to take a minute to I just need to lie down for like a couple seconds. I forgot to show you a little outfit for the day before I left, so I'll show you now actually. I've got this coat, which is just my classic Zara puffer, and then I mean, it's a very basic outfit. I just got this lemon top, which is from OLLOW. These jeans are just like boohoo jeans with the little slit at the bottom. They are from Boohoo. And then I just took this little pink bag. So the last clip is me trying to say that I was taking my pink bag, and turns out I put my bag on the floor and it was just covered in mud. So yeah, that wasn't really a great clip. I feel like I look so shocked. That was literally such an overreaction. But yeah, I'm gonna go make a snack and then crack on with some more work. So I've got changed. I've put on this like just like zip up from Boohoo, and I've put my joggers back on. I'm looking a hot mess, just mess, not hot really. I just got distracted watching Imaginations, finding out she's pregnant. Oh my god, I'm so happy for her. I literally went to watch that so quick and almost forgot my pizza. But I ended up going for like half of what I had at lunchtime. So this is good for a snack as well. Literally like half the pita, tomato sauce, and then just cheese. It's a really healthy snack, it's only like 115. So I've just finished my snack and I'm just doing another lecture. So I'm now doing a little altruism one. So this module is about like why people are like generous and stuff like that. This one's quite interesting. This has been my favourite lecture in the series like so far. But yeah, I'm doing this. I've again written down each section, so I'm working through, and then hopefully I'll have finished another lecture by the end of today, and then I will have done 2 lectures. That'll be good. But yeah, I'm just finishing this off. I'm on part 3 in 7 parts. This is probably going to take me a long time, but pray for me. I've just lit this candle as well. This is by, well, it's from Primark and it's a clean cotton one. It's my favourite for working. I don't know what all this black stuff is, like soot for some reason, but yeah, I've just lit this just to make a little cosy environment. Got my water, obviously my classic Starbucks cup. And I'm good to go. I don't want to do it, but I'm just getting on. I just want to get this one done, so at least I'll have had a really productive day then. So I'm just about to go and make dinner, but I thought I'd show you some of the other HelloFresh recipes that I've been having recently, because I'm honestly just loving it. So this was one. It was a spiced pork ragu. It's so good as well because you get these little like recipe sheets with all the ingredients, like the steps on the back. It has the calories and everything on it. So yeah, I absolutely love these. I'm going to leave a £20 off HelloFresh link in my bio, like in the little description box below, so you can have a look. But yeah, that's one I loved. This one as well, I've just kept a little pile of my favourite ones. These have been my faves so far. The honey mustard sausages was literally, it looked just like that and it was so good. And then Herbie burgers as well. This one was so nice. This is like a little tomato salad that I made and it was just so good. So I'm going to go downstairs and make dinner now. I've got another HelloFresh. I think I'm going to make sweet and sour tonight. But yeah, I just thought I'd quickly show you some of the ones I've been loving because I just love HelloFresh so much, and it's been, I'm just excited to make dinner every day now. So it's a bit later. I'm going to start dinner. But yeah, I'm just cutting up the veg. Tonight I'm making the sweet and sour, like I said, and I'm so excited. HelloFresh meals honestly just blow me away. Like, it genuinely feels like I'm eating out every single day when I have it. I think all I need to do is put the chicken and the corn flour in the pan, then veggies separately, do the rice, and then like mix it all together. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a little montage of me cooking. Right, here is the photo I'm posting tonight. It's very summery. I feel like everyone's going to be like, are you okay? Are you in like a foreign country, or are you in the UK? But we're moving with it. I've got it all ready. So it's a lot later now. I literally haven't vlogged since I posted my Instagram. But what I've been doing this evening is I first of all did a bit more of my application. I really wasn't feeling any more work, but I just wanted to get a little bit more of that done because I have a call tomorrow, like going through that again. So I need to kind of do a bit more of that. I'm almost there. I've literally got 33 words to cut out. But anyone who does like succinct essays in their degree know how hard it is to like get the last little bit cut down. So that's what I've been doing this evening. It's now about 9 o'clock because then after that I did a workout. So I'm feeling quite good. Usually I do workouts in the morning, but I didn't have time this morning. I just was having like one of those slow mornings where everything was just taking me forever. So I thought, no, can't fit a workout in. So the one I did was a Joe Wicks one. It was called Hardcore 20-Minute Savage Home HIIT Workout. That is something that's really making me feel good at the minute, doing those 20-minute workouts, because I feel like you've got time, you can fit them in. They are a bit intense, but then you're not recovering for like a few hours after, do you know what I mean? So they've been really good. And I've also, a little like healthy habit that I've been trying recently is a cold shower in the morning. So that sounds really weird, and I feel like it would sound like your worst nightmare when you first hear about it, but it's like the first week is 30 seconds on the end of your shower, like freezing cold. Second week is a minute, and I'm on the 3rd week now, so it's a minute and a half. and I just love it. Like, I feel like it gets me more awake, ready to go. So that is what I did this morning when I washed my hair. So I'll put that challenge as well on screen, because those are the two things at the minute that I feel like are helping me feel the most productive and stay kind of motivated. So yeah. So I'm going to have an Options hot chocolate. This is my favourite. I just think it's so creamy and I love this. Have this with literally just hot water, because I feel like almond milk doesn't really mix very well with it. Then I'm going to have one of my little cookies. I didn't have one earlier, but I did take one to my friend on the walk and she loved it, so I'm so happy about that. But yeah, I'm going to make this, go upstairs, wash circle, and do you know what I'm really sad about? I don't even really want to show you because it's a mess, but I've just remembered I've got to do my washing up and it's made me really upset. I'm going to quickly do this so I can just move on with my life. I absolutely hate washing up. It's honestly the bane of my life. So I'm going to try and be really organised and make a little list of what I need to do tomorrow. So I think I'm just going to end today's vlog here, because there isn't really much else that I'm going to be up to tonight. Literally going to watch Circle, have my hot drink and my little cookie, and that is basically going to be me. I think I'm going to light some candles, put my little fairy lights on, have a cute relaxing evening, but that's basically all I do in a day to day. So let me know if you have enjoyed this vlog, because I definitely can do more. I'm thinking Sunday will be a spring summer clothing haul. Like I said in my last haul, if you watched that, every single Sunday is going to be spring summer clothing, outfit ideas and hauls ready for June 21st, because I'm just so excited to actually wear clothes out the house. So that is what every single Sunday is going to be. And I'm thinking next week's probably going to be another uni vlog if you do enjoy them, or maybe a morning routine. So definitely let me know what you want to see, what you enjoy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, I would love you to stick around, join my little family and subscribe. Like I said, we're on our way to 4,000 and I'm so excited and so grateful. Yeah, I would love you to stick around, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.